Good evening, everybody, and a very warm welcome to this wonderful facility, the London Gateway of the University of Notre Dame, to the first in a new global lecture series of Durham University.
Durham is now in London. We have an office just up the road in Gray's Inn Road, in a WeWork space, and we are delighted and honoured to welcome Lady Hale.
So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the UK Supreme Court at 10 years old. Is this something to celebrate? It's almost exactly 10 years since we opened our doors in October 2009. It's worth reflecting on how that came about, whether it was overall a good thing or a bad thing, what has changed and what has stayed the same.